Hi everyone, today I'm going to share the recipe of restaurant style Charsi Karahi. It's a very easy and simple recipe made with just a few home available ingredients. It's very simple and quick. First of all, I've took cooking oil in a pan or a karahi. When the oil is hot, I've added about 1 kg of chicken. I'm gonna give this a nice and golden color. Keep stirring it in between so it doesn't get stuck to the pan. It's meant to be cooked on a high flame to cook all the water in the chicken. It's a very popular recipe, it's very easy to make and yet it tastes really amazing. By the time my chicken is getting a nice golden color, I'm gonna use some tomatoes and bully chilies. I'm gonna show you now. Look, my chicken's golden. I'm gonna use these tomatoes and bully chili. That's about a kg of tomatoes for a kg of a chicken. And I'm adding 4 to 5 bully chilies. I'm gonna cut the tomatoes in halves and slice the bully chilies in half as well. The chicken's got a nice golden color. Now I'm gonna add bully chilies. I'm also adding ginger garlic. I'm using cubes. You can use the paste or the frozen one. I've added about 1 tablespoon of salt. I'm gonna cook this on a high flame for a little bit and then I'm gonna place all my tomatoes on this chicken. Now I'm gonna show you how to place these tomatoes. We're gonna put it upside down like this and arrange it all on top, and these will get soft with the steam. We're gonna make a layer of tomatoes on top, like a bed of tomatoes. Then I'm going to put this on a steam for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's been 15 minutes. I'm gonna check my tomatoes and chicken now. I'm gonna peel off the skin of tomatoes with the help of a tongue. They get really soft after the steam, so it comes off quite easily. I'll show you in this video. Look at that. It's coming off very easily. For the authentic recipe of Charsi Karahi, we have to peel off the skin. Now the tomatoes are really soft. I'm gonna mash these with this help of a spoon. It's gonna turn into a nice tangy gravy. As you can see, so far I've only added salt in the spices. I haven't added anything else. I'm going to cook it on a high flame to let all the water dry. I didn't put any extra water, it's all from the tomatoes. When the water is a bit drying up, I'm also gonna add 1 tablespoon of black pepper. These are the only 2 spices that goes in this karahi, salt and black pepper. It's optional if you wanna add garam masala, but it tastes perfect with the salt and black pepper only as well. And obviously bully chili gives the kick to the flavor. My gravy is reduced and my chicken is cooked. I've added fresh coriander and fresh green chilies in the chicken. When the oil gets separate, the chicken is cooked and it's ready to serve now. Hope you like the recipe. It's very easy and it's a must try. Please like, subscribe and share. Do try the recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support.